Welcome to the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO tutorial video. This video shows how to perform FlightHub management settings. Insert the dongle and power on the system. In the address bar of a web browser, enter 192.168.1.1:30888 to access the home screen of the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO. From the menu on the left, select FlightHub Management. The FlightHub Management page contains the following tabs: O&M Settings, Base Map Service, Account Settings, Extension Services, Access Settings, Feature Settings, Activation Status, and Restart FlightHub. This video focuses on how to perform settings in the O&M Settings, Base Map Service, Account Settings, and Extension Services tabs. In the O&M Settings tab, you can view system status and download O&M logs of the DJI FlightHub 2 AIO. Click Modify to adjust the O&M port and domain name. Enter the administrator password and click Confirm. The FlightHub service automatically restarts for the new settings to take effect. Click Access to access the desired O&M domain. In the Base Map Service tab, you can configure map and elevation data, enable, delete, and edit configuration files. Click Add Map, enter a map name, and select the desired map mode. For offline use, select Local Offline Maps and upload the required map tile files. For public or private online services, select Online Maps and select a map format. Configure the server address. For enterprise intranet services, select Custom Online Maps and select a map format. Configure the server address. After completing the configuration, click Add to begin uploading. Once the upload is successful, the map is added to the list. Click to turn on the toggle switch. To deactivate a map, click the toggle switch again. When the toggle switch turns gray, the base map service no longer utilizes this map. Click Delete to remove a map from the list. This action is irreversible. Click Add Elevation. Upload elevation tile files. Then click Add. After a successful upload, the elevation data is added to the list. Click Enable to activate it. Click Delete to remove the elevation data from the list. This action is irreversible. In the Account Settings tab, click Edit. Set the account system type parameter. The Keep Local Account System option is non-editable. If you set this parameter to Third-Party Account System, the original local account configuration is hidden and you need to reconfigure the third-party authentication parameters. After completing the configuration, click Save. The FlightHub service automatically restarts for the changes to take effect. In the Extension Services tab, click Edit. You can configure the external server address as required. Thank you for watching.